Mga pinanggang alumni o halangdon mga magtutudlo sa Paho National High School. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. To our beloved alumni who carry the name of Paho National High School whenever life has taken them, and to our dedicated teachers who continue to mold dreams and character within the walls, kini nga panagtigom usa ka selebrasyon sa atong panaghiusa ug pagpasalamat. This reunion is a bridge between generations, linking those who once learned in its classrooms and those who still tirelessly guide the youth today. Ang alumni reunion is a more than a gathering. It is a homecoming of memories, gratitude, and shared identity. It is where years may have passed, but hearts return to where everything began. Ang alumni reunion usa ka panagtigom sa mga panumduman o pagpasalamat. It's a living testament that through the years we have grown stronger, and despite distance and time, we remain united forever, bound by one school, one story, one proud name, Paho National High School. With a heart full of gratitude and humility, I look back at the journey that began within the halls of Paho National High School. Dinhi sa atong eskwelahan, unang gipanday ang akong mga damgo. Soft at first, yet brave enough to hope. These dreams were shaped by lessons learned, struggle shared, and faith quietly nurtured until they learned how to stand, to rise, and to believe. From those humble beginnings grow a deeper calling, a dream of serving my fellow Pahonians. Paho National High School did not simply teach us how to succeed in life. It's taught us how to care. It reminded us that true success is never measured by titles or recognition, but by lives we touch and the hope we leave behind. Ang tinuod nga kalampusan mao ang mga kinabuhi nga atong natandog ug ang kausaban nga atong gibilin sa kasing-kasing sa uban. As your alumni president and as your barangay captain of Barangay Paho, I carry these lessons every day. Whatever we have become is deeply rooted in the values formed within the school. Ang liderato usa ka porma sa pag-alagad and service. When done with love, it is what keeps us stronger through the years and united forever. With humility, I also ask for your kind understanding for my absence in this grand alumni reunion tonight. Masakit sa kasing-kasing nga dili ko makauban, makiguban kaninyo karong gabiuna, yet this moment finds me standing at another milestone of love and gratitude. The graduation of my lovely daughter, who now moves forward in her journey as a resident doctor or completed as a resident doctor surgeon. Pareho silang gasa sa Ginoo sa akong kinabuhi, my family and my Paho National High School family, and both are equally important to me. Though I may not be able to beside you in person tonight, anaa kamo kanunay sa akong unahuna ug kasing-kasing. I celebrate with you in spirit, in prayer, and in pride. May this reunion reminds us that no distance can weaken the bond we shared as Pahomyans. Padayon ta sa pagbalik sa atong gigikanan, sa paghatag ug bilib sa atong eskwelahan, ug sa pagpaambit sa atong mga panalangin ngadto sa uban. Let us continue to define success not by how high we rise, but by how many lives we left along the way. For as long as there are dreams to nurture and hand willing to serve, magpadayon ang spirito sa Paho National High School alive in our service, our compassion, and our promise to remain service or stronger through the years, united forever. Daghang salamat. Enjoy the rest of the night. Advance Merry Christmas ug mabungahong bag-ong tuig ug pagsugat sa atong tuig 2026. Mabuhi ang Paho National High School alumni. Mabuhi ang Barangay Paho. God bless us all. Daghang salamat.